welcome to Chief Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, I am following up on a viewer request. We've had several people ask for info about all kinds of different acrylic mediums and such. And so today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about one that is fairly interesting. And as your personal art stuff shopper here at Chief Joe's, I'm here to show you like some of the cool stuff that can save you money and make you happier too. This one is Liquitex Slo-Dri blending fluid medium. Okay, it's a mouthful, I know, but this one's kind of interesting because for those of you who tend to do a little bit more maybe realistic work, or you're spending more time blending edges and having, you know, smooth gradients between colors, this is kind of a perfect mixture because not only is it a fluid medium, and I particularly like Liquitex's kind of cool packaging where they now have codes on the outside, F for fluid, so you know what kind of consistency it is inside. But not only is it a fluid medium that you can use and get your acrylics moving, this also has a built-in retarder. And if you're familiar at all with what a retarder is, it basically slows the drying time. So not only is this a fluid medium that will allow you to blend better, but that retarder in there gives you more open time where the paint is active so that you continue to move and manipulate the color around. So it's kind of like getting two for the price of one, whereas you would buy fluid medium and retarder separately. Bang, it's already in one there, right there for you. So if you know that that's the kind of style that you work in and that you need those kind of characteristics, this is perfect. It's all in one bottle right there for you. So if you haven't thought about it before, you might want to check this one out. This is Liquitex Slo-Dri blending fluid medium. And check it out because we're sure you will enjoy.